All right, so we are into Classcraft with Stickman Bob here. All right, now this is going to be where I kind of lay out for you some of the things that we've got going on so that you can look at it and understand what's happening. Okay, so now Stickman Bob and his team can get together and change their name. That is totally acceptable. You've just got to run it through me, and I have to do it on my end, and it'll show up over here. Okay, so first up, when you're looking here, it says that Stickman Bob is a healer. That's his character type. And it tells you what level he is. Stickman Bob is level 1 because he only just started his account. All right, so we have hit points. Those are health. Action points, these are the things that you can do. So like remember, our heal 1 costs 15 action points. Okay, so if Stickman Bob decides he wants to heal one of his teammates, it'll cost him 15 of these. Experience points, these are what you're going to collect so that you can level up. You can get experience points for a wide variety of things, and those are discussed and settled in class as part of our contract for Classcraft, all right? GP down here are gold points. These are used for buying special outfits, basically. All right, so you have powers here. Right now, you only have whichever power you chose to start with, all right? Eventually, when you get enough experience points, you'll start earning power points, and you'll be able to go in and choose some of these other ones. See how they're all grayed out? Because you don't have the points to purchase them. So the top row all costs 1, but if you go down to the second row, you may notice that some of them will cost 2 points, all right? So the buttons on the side here. I'm going to start all the way at the bottom, actually. See this messaging button? It's got a little icon. That's because I sent a couple of class announcements. These were test announcements. See, I did test message, then notifications to bump that number up to 2. But now that we've read it, it's gone away. Now, this second one is my name. That's because you can send me a message on Classcraft. So I might say, hi, Miss Eberle. I am confused about how my mom can log in. All right, and I'm going to send it to me. Now that'll show up as a notification on my Classcraft account. And so then perhaps I've had time to see your message, and I write back and I say, your mom can watch the video on YouTube. I'll send you the link. It's going to pop right up, okay? And so that's going to show a running conversation. All right. And your parents, when they set up their accounts, can also message me this way. All right. So messaging, super easy. Up here we have, this is you, your character page. The second one is your class. All right. So it's going to list out everybody. And so I can actually go and see Stick Lady Jane. That's Stick Lady Jane's character. She's already had time to upgrade her shield and her sword. She got herself a pet. Okay, and you're going to see that other people have been made smaller over here. You can go to your team. Now, there are only 3 people in this class, and I put them all on the same team, but you'll see several teams in your own classes. And then, of course, you can go all the way over. Now, it's going to show you what everyone's health is. All right, so like Stickman Bob is my healer, and he may look at it and see that Bob Stickman, his cousin, he's a mage, and he's running pretty low on health. So Stickman Bob might decide, I might need to go heal my teammate. And I can use it to give Bob Stickman some health points. So it cost me action points over here. See how my number has gone down. But if I go back and visit my cousin's page, now he's up to 21 health points rather than where he was at before. All right. Now, next up we have equipment. This is where it gets kind of fun. So gold points can help you buy certain things. So right now I'm on the Wanderer outfit. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. As I level up, see when I hit level 2, I'll be able to upgrade some of these things. All right. And so what you'll see is that I've got the basic boots on. You can go into more specific. Now for the seasons, it gives you other options. So I might want to put my winter boots on. I don't know. I think those look kind of weird. But I saw that shield that Stick Lady Bobette had but I don't have a shield because I'm a mage. So I wonder if, ooh, I could get ice power in my hands. Ooh, look what the tattoos it did to my face. Okay, so you can play around with these. You can see the options it's going to give you, right? I recommend you get a pet. Pets can be fun to level up, right? So you're going to have to save changes for them to stick. So I'm going to save Stickman Bob's changes. All right. And so as you get to a certain level, you'll be able to purchase pets. So the one that we put in over here, this Frost Wizard, is mostly cosmetic. It's just to look pretty. But as you hit other higher levels, you'll be able to earn gold points to buy nice things to go with your pets. Okay. Now, this button here, the map, these are quests. These are activities that I will send you on occasion. You don't have any yet, so don't worry about this. I'll let you know when it's time to use that. All right. And again, down in messages, an announcement for the whole class or a message just to me. Now, up here, you have damage. These are going to be help you keep track and game feed about what's going on in the game. All right, so you may notice the last thing in the game feed is that Bob Stickman, my cousin, gained 10 hit points. That's because Stickman Bob lost 15 action points. And so the gameplay just keeps a running tally, okay? So if you have questions, drop them in the comments, send me a message, talk to me in class. Any of those are acceptable ways, all right? We're very excited to use Classcraft and try it out. And again, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.